How to glow up instantly in 48 hours. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so, you have 48 hours to completely glow up. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not today, because I've got some mind-blowing tips that will take you from meh to wow in just 2 days. And trust me, you don't want to miss this one because by the end of this video, you'll be radiating confidence, inside and out. Plus, I've got a couple of secret hacks that'll have people thinking you spent weeks preparing for this. Shoo, don't tell anyone, let's dive in. Step 1, the power of a good night's sleep. First things first, you need sleep. I know, it sounds boring, but seriously, your body needs that beauty rest to repair and rejuvenate. And guess what? That means clear skin, brighter eyes, and no more of those "I've been up all night watching Netflix" bags under your eyes. Wait until you hear what I do 30 minutes before bed to guarantee I wake up glowing. Step 2, hydrate like your life depends on it. Water, water, water. Yep, it's the OG glow up trick. Hydration equals radiance, and if you want that fresh, dewy look, start chugging now. Did you know that most people are walking around dehydrated right now? Are you one of them? Go grab some water, I'll wait, but seriously, it's not just about drinking water. You can also hydrate your skin from the outside. Cue the skincare hacks: face mist, moisturizer, sheet masks. Step 3, quick skincare routine that works. Alright, here's where we get into the good stuff. You've got 48 hours, and we need your skin to glow. Start with a good cleanse to get rid of any dirt or oil. Then, exfoliate to remove those dead skin cells and reveal that baby soft skin underneath. Add a hydrating serum, and don't forget to moisturize. You're gonna wake up tomorrow with skin so soft, it'll feel like you've been pampering it for weeks. Just wait for it. Step 4, instant hair revival. Next up, hair. Greasy, limp hair can totally dull your shine. So, let's refresh that mane. Dry shampoo is your best friend here. Spritz it on, give it a shake, and you're instantly looking more alive. Or, you could rock the greasy look and tell everyone it's a new trend. Kidding. Let's not do that. But if you want to go the extra mile, try an overnight hair mask. You'll wake up with soft, silky hair, and trust me, people will notice. Step 5, outfit transformation in minutes. Now for the grand finale, your outfit. Choose something that makes you feel like a boss. Whether it's comfy chic, sporty vibes, or a little bit glam, the key is feeling confident in what you're wearing. Because confidence? That's the real glow-up magic. Quick tip, lay your outfit out the night before so you can just jump out of bed and go. Reveal the secret hack. Okay, as promised, here's the secret glow-up hack that nobody tells you: a cold shower. I know, sounds scary, but it works. It boosts circulation, tightens your skin, and leaves you looking instantly more awake. Alright, so now you're all set. Follow these steps, and you'll be glowing brighter than ever in just 48 hours. If you're ready to test these out, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how your glow-up turns out. Glow fam, remember, you're beautiful just the way you are, but a little glow-up never hurt anyone. See you next time. Watch this video if you want to glow up from the inside out. Take care, bye-bye.